Okay.
Okay, now, what you have in questions 1, and I'm pretty sure in question B, is that you have got a whole load of information at the top. And then from that information, somehow you're going to have to figure out who the alternate hypothesis is, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now, since there's only 3, I'm assuming you just kept on doing it until you guessed, because you got it right? So
Yeah.
let's see how you would actually physically do it. So what I'm looking at here is the T number is negative 2.56.
Mm-hmm.
That's important. And the degrees of freedom are 7. And that the p-value is 0.0188. Okay? So far, so good.
Mm-hmm.
Right. So what we're going to get, or what I'm able to do by just looking at this thing, is I'm going to be able to prove to you that that middle one is the right answer. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Now, pardon me. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to, hopefully I've got all the numbers I need, is I'm going to go into salt. That's it. And you're going to go to T distribution. So hit the T distribution choice. You're going to put in degrees of freedom, which in your question was 7. You're going to go down, you're going to go down and type in negative 2.56.
Right here, yeah.
Yeah. Now, do you see the number underneath is the p-value 0.0188?
Yeah.
Now, what you also notice is, do you notice that this is an X? Pretend the X is a letter T. Do you notice that's a T less than or equal to?
Oh, it's the tail is to the right. I mean, to the left.
To the left. That's how I know it's a less than in that original question. So if you go back to that original question and think of less than, can you see it's the middle one?
Yeah.
Now, if you did the same thing with the next one, so it's positive 2.56, right? So make that positive 2.66. Do you see, whoops, do you see that number is the p-value?
Mm-hmm.
Right, the 0.96. And isn't that a left tail test again? So this time, go back and pick the one that says less than, right? That's a left tailed when it says less than. And that happens to be the middle one again.
Got it.
Okay, so you said number 2. So let's scroll down to 2 and see if that's in the same vein. Yeah, it's in the same vein, right? So it's going to be, well, it looks like they're greater than and not equal to this time. Okay, let's show you the not equal to one. So hold on a second while I got all the numbers. It's 2.32 for the T value. It's 9 degrees of freedom. And when we're finished, we want a P value to be 0.045. Okay. Kick in. Right. So you got the, change that to a 9 and change that to a 2.23. Now, the number that you can see in the p-value box isn't 0.045, agreed?
No.
Right, it's 0.9 something. So I know it's not a less than, right? Okay, go to the little picture on the right, well, the big picture on the right-hand side and try a right tail. Maybe it's a greater than situation. And click on it.
I did.
And did that help any?
No.
Nope. Go to both tails.
Nope.
Nope. Go to the last one, which is the betweens, I think.
Nope. Wait, hold on. This has to be.
This has to be 2.32 and negative 2.32. Okay, go back to both tails because we probably didn't do that one, right? So make this negative 0.23 and make that positive. Right. Yep. Now, does that guy look like the 0.05? Isn't the picture you're looking at a two-tailed?
Yep.
Isn't two-tailed a not equal to world?
Yep.
That's why that one's a not equal to.
Got it. Okay, yeah. Everything makes sense now. Thank you so much.
You're